So we're down here in Catford. This is another project we're starting tomorrow. Scaffolding will be going up. So what we're going to be doing on this project is removing all of the Pebbledash from all of the brickwork on the front of the property, cutting out and replacing all of the damaged bricks with matching imperial bricks, brick cleaning all of the brickwork. Also going to be doing on this project is removing all of the paint from all of the from all of the stonework on the front of the property, taking that all back to natural stone, so getting all of this paint off, exposing all the beautiful stone underneath and having all that back to natural stone. Going to look absolutely incredible once that's all done. Not sure on style of pointing at the moment. We'll do some samples for the customer and then the customer can pick whatever style of pointing they want to go for, but looking forward to transforming this house. Going to look absolutely incredible. Great transformation when it's all finished. Also going to be doing the garden wall, repointing all the garden wall. Just had that rebuilt, so we'll repoint that to match whatever style of repointing they'd like to have done on the front. Bit of woodwork to be decorated as well on here, and yeah, we'll show you some update videos of this in the next week or so once we get underway. So if you'd like a free quotation for any of our services that we offer, please give us a call, get in contact, and we're more than happy to assist you with any further inquiries you do have. Thank you very much. So we're down here in Catford in southeast London on the Corbett estate. This is our Pebbledash removal project, all completed now. So what we did on this project was we removed all of the Pebbledash from all of the brickwork on the front of the property. It used to look like this property next door. So as you can see, it was fully covered in Pebbledash. If you scroll back to our previous videos, you'll see the house before we started this project. So like I say, we removed all of the Pebbledash from all of the brickwork. Cut out and replaced all of the damaged bricks with matching imperial bricks, around about 300 bricks in total. Then we've repointed all of the brickwork in natural lime mortar in a penny roll finish. I'm just going to give you a close-up of how that all looks in a second. What else we did is we removed all of the paint from all of the stonework on the front of the property, took everything back to natural stone, honed in all of the original stonework. So I'm just going to take you up on the scaffolding and show you everything in a bit more detail. But this project has come out absolutely amazing. The transformation is incredible. So if we start by the front door, look at all of the detail in all of the stonework. So we've stripped all of that paint off, got everything back to natural stone. Really big job doing this, taking it back to natural stone. But as you can see, the detail in all of the stonework is incredible. Every single little piece of paint's been removed. The detail on all of the arises and all of the cornice work is incredible. As you can see, the penny roll pointing finishes it all off, looks amazing. It's all the stone pointing's been done, but if you just look at all of the detail in the carving, in all of the stonework, it's come out fantastic once again. So this is another project we've done on the estate now, back to natural stone. Everybody is loving the original features, getting us in to take everything back to natural stone once again. If you look at all of the detail on all of the capitals there, the great benefit of this, once again, stonework's never got to be painted again. It's all back to natural stone, and look at the results. Fantastic. It took around about 3 months, this project, from start to finish. Customers are absolutely over the moon with how everything came out. New gutters being put on, new downpipe as well. I know the customer's looking at now changing these 49s to a nice internal slate with a nice new LED flashing, just to finish that off at a later date. Painted all of the woodwork as well. All of the windows have been decorated, like I say, all done in natural lime mortar. All of the penny roll pointing. Customers having a new driveway started on Monday, so I'll show you what we've got downstairs left to do. But as you can see, the detail is absolutely craftsmanship. Every single piece of paint has been removed, all honed in, nothing's been left. So all new drip molds in underneath all of the window sills as well. Nice new drip molds. Done some big repairs and lots of indents on here as well. So just going to give you a close up of little pieces that are hard to see. As you can see, all of that detail all the way through there. So downstairs, the customer's having a new driveway started on Monday, and then what we're going to do once the driveway's been done is we're going to come back and put a plinth on the base of the property for him. So I'll show you what that is. So we're going to put a new plinth on the base of this property here. So we'll take all of this old cement plinth off, put a nice new lime plinth with some nice new period air vents on there. But again, as you can see, all the detail on all of the corbels, all of the window sills all squared up, all of the bases of the columns all the way through. First class finish, craftsmanship once again. So this is another project finished to the highest standard. As always, customers are over the moon with how it all came out, and yeah, lads have done an amazing job. Quality work to be proud of once again. So if you do like the look of this project and you'd like a free quotation for any of our services that we offer, please give us a call, get in contact, and we'd be more than happy to assist you with any further inquiries that you do have. Thank you very much.